Hello and welcome for the love of food. Today we're going to be making a smoked turkey using all of these wonderful aromatics. So what I've done is I've already brined the turkey and had sat in a bath of salt and brown sugar and a whole bunch of other really wonderful things, apples and some of these wonderful herbs that we'll be using today with this turkey. And then we're going to be making a aromatic bath that will sit right in the smoker. We'll be back to show you all that in just a few minutes. Here's what we've done. Remember, we made the turkey brine and we put the turkey and let it sit in there for 24 hours. That's all that brine. And now I'm going to place it in a pan underneath my turkey. I'm going to smoke my turkey, but you could also place this pan underneath your turkey in your oven too, and just let all those wonderful aromas and that moisture come up into the turkey to also help keep it moist. The other thing that I did was I took some of the pieces of the and parts of that brine and stuffed it in the cavity of my turkey. I didn't stuff it too tight, but I just put enough in there to give it some flavor. So what we got to do first is we got to cut up all these. We're just going to rough cut all these herbs, all these wonderful aromatics. And if you're wondering what I used, it was some parsley that I was growing out back, some rosemary that I was growing out back, some oregano that was growing out there, and some thyme. So we have a lot of wonderful different types of herbs that are going to add beautiful color and flavor to our turkey. Once we have these rough cut, and by the way, I saved all the rest of these, and we'll put some in the cavity of the turkey, and then we're going to put the rest into this little pan that's going to cook right on the smoker, along with this, which is going to also go right here in this pan. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to just chop that. We're going to use butter. We're going to rub butter all over the turkey. We're just going to use our hands and rub right on the turkey. And then we're going to take these lovely herbs and attach them. See that? This is going to be a fantastic smoked turkey. And if you're wondering what we're using for smoke, we're going to use apple wood smoke on this turkey. So we'll just finish covering that up, and then we can take it and put it out on the grill. All right, so what we've done is we have placed our turkey. We're gonna just open that slow, give it a burp. There we go, up. We have placed our turkey in on top of, and I don't know if you can see those aromatics sitting in the blue pan underneath. Look how beautiful that looks. And then we have our turkey sitting right over on top of that, and we're gonna let that go for a couple of hours, and we'll be back to check in.